First day at the beach of 2020 with my wife. Say
First
something.
day in 2020 on the beach.
Actually, it's not really, because we were on the beach in Puerto Rico.
That's true.
But the first day on the beach here
It was
at
a
home.
strange beach though. This feels more like
Loquillo.
this feels more like a beach.
This is my happy place. This is why I live in Florida, for the beach. Look at this white sand. It's so gorgeous. Clearwater Beach, May 23rd, Memorial Day weekend, Saturday, with my gorgeous wife, Eileen, baking. 93 degrees out, but we're in these shelters, which the guy hasn't showed up to take the money for yet. But anyway, that's all right. This is my paradise. Paradisio. Oof. Hey, honey. It's time to go cool down a bit. It's a hot day today. Oh no. My wife wants to make sure I don't burn. Good woman. You want to just sit down here or go further in? Huh?
How dare you!
Always feels chilly at first until you're in it, and then it's fine. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, here we go.
Now filming my husband and telling him that he has to do some funny stuff.
I think the last time you were filming me was in Croatia.
Correct.
Or Puerto Rico. Yeah, when we were in San Juan.
So, here we are. Yep. And he thinks that's funny. Look at all the people.
gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful. There's the pier, which is closed. I guess they don't want anybody too close to each other. They want their social distancing, but as you can see, well, I guess people are 6 feet apart. So that's cool. People on their balconies over there. We got the ships going out. There's this boat with a Trump flag.